this is the one time where the market edge oscillator failed. Okay, this is what I think is the outlier, the Great Recession. If you bought stocks when the oscillator hit minus 12 back then, well, guess what? You did get smoked because we were dealing with the true financial crisis where nearly all of our biggest banks and big insurers, too, were in danger of going under. The government, particularly the Fed, had no idea how bad things were. By the time the Fed started cutting rates aggressively, it was too little, too late. And the stock market got more than cut in half before it bottomed, and many of our famous financial institutions became, let's just say, moribund. Now, is this coronavirus panic more like the financial crisis here, or is it like this? Which is it like? Which is it like of the minus 12s? The 4 times it worked in recent history, there was no credit crisis. There were no big failures. There was no systemic risk. The one time we failed to bounce, we had all those problems. The reason it was so wrong for the Fed to cut yesterday is that it made old hands like me feel like there's got to be this. This is what we reacted to, that it must be some credit crisis that we don't know about. Some institutions on the verge of the failure. Come on, Jay. Just like in the Great Recession. That's what you thought you'd do, Jay. They were trying to restore confidence. All they did was instill panic. Thank heavens we got over that quickly. As I've said over and over again, this is a biological crisis with economic fallout. It could hurt hiring, could cause layoffs. But if the federal government helps tide over small businesses and the short-term unemployed, as Congress seems to want to do, I think we'll come out on the other side just fine, even with outbreaks closing down commerce all over the country. I expect a mild recession based on weakness in travel and entertainment. But right now, the oscillator is saying you should buy stocks, both short and long term.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.